It's time for the Lokar Lowdown with Kevin Ford.
One small detail that you might be missing in your LS engine in your old hot rod is the valley plate. We've got a whole line of products that go make these engines look like your classic, iconic engines, but the one that's overlooked the most probably is the valley plate. We offer this in a few different versions. We've got LS1 and LS3, so if you've got an LS3 and you need to block off the DoD ports and you want to improve the look, we've got that. Comes with O-ring for all the seals. You've got, in this case, we've got a breather oil fill version, and in this version we've got a built-in baffle system to run your breathing off the center of this. We also offer oil pressure relocation block. This gets you down to the bottom above the oil filter, and you can relocate the sensor so you're not up here unsightly in front of everything you're doing. This is just another addition to everything you can do to make your engine look like a classic engine but still have the modern performance of an LS and the reliability. Not only that, it's a little better for the environment. So check us out on lowcar.com.